So here we have a 2001 Toyota Camry, and some of the dash lights weren't working when I purchased this vehicle. So these lights specifically as well, some of the lights in here didn't work. And so when I first bought it, I went ahead and I replaced these. And if you can see that, you'll see I replaced those lights. They all work well. And I replaced these, and you can kind of see that light up as well. But last night, as I was getting it ready to put on the road, I realized that this light didn't work. And so I got on YouTube and I saw a video with instructions on how to replace the bulb here from a 2004, but nothing for 2001. So I thought I would give you instructions on how to do that. First, let me just show you the lights that I got. Okay, so this is the original light in the dash. It has a green cover on it, and I replaced it with these LEDs. I got them on eBay. They work great. No green cover, but as you can see, they're not overbearing as far as the light's concerned. Then I got these lights. These are right from Rock Auto. I believe I got a 20 pack of them, and those were for right here and that behind the dash there. So this light, I've already done this, so I'm just showing you now how to do it, but I used an LED back here and it works just fine. And so first thing you need to do, grab a screwdriver, and you're just basically going in here like this and kind of coming up with it, and then that just pops right up. This comes up over. Unplug your cigarette lighter. Careful not to pull on it. And then there's one screw here that you got to remove, and so it's a Phillips head, and I'll go ahead and get down there and remove it and show you. Always helps to have a magnetic screwdriver when you're doing these kind of things, because I've already dropped one of the lights. And that comes out, and then there's actually a notch here where it's connected, and then there's another one over here, and all I've learned to do is pop this and it lifts it up. And what you're going to find is down here is where your light is connected. You can kind of see that. And if you look over here, it gives you maybe a better view of it. There you go. And it just basically turns out. And then pull it. And then you just pull the bulb. Now this bulb is one directional. So when I put it in, it didn't work at first. And so I flipped it around, and then it worked. And so that's basically all you need to do. Follow these instructions in reverse order. And what I'll do now is I'll just turn it on to show you that it does work. I hope this video helps somebody.